Home Remedies presents. Have you heard of black rice and wild rice? Know the difference. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I'm going to take the opportunity to explain the difference between black rice and wild rice. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. It occurred to me only recently that a lot of people said that they had used black rice before and liked it. I thought to myself, this is absolutely fantastic. Black rice had grown to be a hugely popular rice variety. But you know what? Later that day, I had realized that there was a confusion between black rice and wild rice. A lot of people thought that they were same, if not extremely similar. Black rice. Black rice is from the rice family. It is deep dark short grain variety of rice that is originated from China and Asia. Black rice is sweetish to taste and has a nutty feel about its texture. Black rice is high in protein, fiber, iron, and a great source of nutrients. It is an easy substitute for white and brown rice in meals. Wild rice. Wild rice is not rice at all, but a member of the grass family. It is a native long black grain of America and Canada, which was traditionally grown wild in shallows of lakes and slow rivers. Wild rice holds its long shape with cooking and has a nutty texture. It is commonly mixed with other rices to create blends or mixed as an added ingredient to various dishes such as salads. Nutritional benefits. Both wild rice and black rice have a great nutritional value with the protein, B-complex, minerals, folate and antioxidants promote a healthy heart and lesser carbohydrates. The phytonutrients present in black rice help cleanse the body of disease-causing toxins. The rich fiber content helps regulate the bowel movements, prevent constipation, diarrhea and bloating. In addition, gluten-free black rice has the highest amount of anthocyanin. Anthocyanin can reduce inflammation and make us less prone to viral infections. Also, anthocyanin is known to reduce the risk of cancer. The anthocyanins brings down the total cholesterol levels, and black rice has been proven to actively reduce atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries as well. Uses of black rice and wild rice. Black rice is used in main course recipes and can be used as a substitute for white rice, red rice and brown rice in the daily diet. With its distinctive flavor and color, this definitely adds to your daily bowl of nutrition. Cooking black rice takes a longer time since the black rice needs to be soaked in water for 1 hour to several hours. Remember to cook till you feel the grain has the consistency you desire. One can grind it and coat the deep-fried veggies and meat, or put to desserts or snacks. Black rice can also be used for bread, noodles, or cakes. Include them in stir-fries, soups, etc. Having quarter cup cooked black rice a day is beneficial for everyone irrespective of gender and age. Wild rice needs more time to be cooked than regular rice. Cooking a cup of wild rice yields about 3 to 4 cups when cooked. Wild rice is nice and chewy, layered even after cooking, and has a unique smoky flavor. Include them in various salads, sweet or savory preparations to reap all the benefits of this superfood. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.